first grade. Today we're going to talk about the body, and I want to show you. Mavericks is being our demonstrator, and we're going to talk about each one of these organs in the body. The first one we're going to talk about is the brain, and the brain sits right up here. If you take both your fists together and you put them together like this, that's the size of the brain. And the brain actually tells your whole body what to do. Nothing can function without your brain. It's the big computer that controls your whole body. It tells you when to move, it tells you when to blink, it tells you when to breathe. The next one we're going to talk about is the lungs. The lungs sit about right here, and they're about the same size as your hands. You breathe in, and you breathe out. It brings air through your body, and it takes air back out. You need air in order to live. If you didn't breathe, you could die. The next one we're going to talk about is the heart. The heart is the muscle inside your body that circulates blood all through. So it pumps blood all the way from here. It pumps it all the way out to your fingertips and all the way back. The heart is about this size, kind of an open fist, and it goes boom, 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 boom. If you take your pointer finger and the finger next to it, and you put it under your neck, just like this, and you push in and you're real quiet, you can actually feel your heart beating. Another place people can feel it is right here on the wrist. They can feel their heart pumping blood, because in here you have veins all through your body, and the blood pumps up to your heart, and then the heart fixes it and makes it all nice and clean and sends it back out. That heart continually pumps blood everywhere through your body, because if you didn't have blood going through it, then that body part wouldn't work. The next one that we're going to talk about, we're going to talk about the stomach and the intestines. And I want to do a little demonstration for you. We're going to pretend like this is the stomach, okay? The stomach is actually in charge of digesting all your food. So when you eat things like crackers and applesauce, we'll open this up, okay? When you eat things like crackers and applesauce, oh yes, oh does that look good, Mavericks? And granola bars, uh-oh, don't eat the wrapper though. Oh. Granola bars, and even chocolate milk. Oh yeah, don't go home, don't try this at home. Oh man, I can't get it open. Chocolate milk, when you put all this into your body, it goes into your throat, goes down into your throat, and all the way down into your stomach. And then in your stomach, it gets all squished up. Your stomach, squish that up for us, Mavericks. Yeah, your stomach is in charge of squishing up the food. Thank you, Mavericks. It's in charge of squishing up the food. And then, this is something we can't talk about at school though. Then, after it goes into your stomach, it goes into your intestines. And your intestines are really long. They're like the size of the football field if you laid them all out. You have your large intestine and your small intestine, and it goes, it's like through a big tunnel. And that's your intestines. And this is something that we don't talk about at school, but guess what? After it leaves your intestines, it goes into the potty, the toilet. Ew! Yeah. Our body, our stomach and our intestines take out all the good stuff, and they send the rest of it out of the body. But the words you need to know is the stomach and intestines digest. Can you say digest?
Digest.
Good job. They digest your food. And so you have to be able to have a stomach if you want to eat. And you got to eat so that your body stays healthy. The next one we're going to talk about is the liver. And that's this one right here. This is your liver. Okay? There you go. This is the liver. Okay? We've talked about the heart. We've talked about the lungs. Okay? The heart pumps the blood. The lungs, they help you breathe. Okay? The stomach and the intestines help you digest food. Now we're going to talk about the liver. The liver cleans the body. You see it? It's cleaning. It's cleaning the body. This is what your liver does. It just goes in and it cleans all the bad stuff out. But sometimes we get stuff in our body, okay, that can't be cleaned. If we use too much drugs or alcohol or even diseases like cancer, they get inside the body and they get inside the liver, and look at that. Okay? They can't be cleaned. Alright? Even though how hard the liver tries, it can't get clean and it makes your body all yucky. So we have to be careful about what we put into our body, because the liver, he tries to clean it. He's the cleaner of the body, but he can't clean everything. Some things are just too hard for him to clean. So let's make sure and remember, brain, heart, okay, your brain is the computer. It helps you do everything. It thinks and tells everything what to do. Lungs breathe. Your heart pumps the, what, Mavericks? Blood. Your liver is the cleaner, and your stomach and intestines help you digest food. Okay? This is lesson 1 on the organs and how the organs work. Go ahead and get your body book and go through and see if you can figure out which organs are which, and we'll ask you later about what they do. Thank you.